Hey guys, so you've just purchased your one of the advanced installation packages. Now you'll want to complete the form to get started, and in that form we're going to ask you to choose some of the options that are available within the theme for your layouts. And how you're going to do that is pretty simple. Go to the demo site for your specific theme. So for example, maybe you chose Evora in this case, and then you need to decide what pages do you want for your website. Now that could be the existing pages you have in your current site. Maybe you like that structure, and that's completely fine. Go ahead and outline that for us. So write out the outline for the pages. For example, home, about me, blog, portfolio, about page, investment, something like that, and that will work. If you have any drop down items or sub items for those menu items, please let us know that also. You can put a tab or a dash and just label those as well. Then you'll want to decide on the layouts for each of those pages. And how do you do that is go to the demo site, or you can go to the showcase page and filter by the specific theme to see some actual live examples to get some inspiration for your own site. So in this case, I would filter by Evora, and then I would see all the examples for Evora. And as I said, you'll get a good feel for what's possible. Now, just a quick overview of how the theme actually works. It is a block builder, and with that being said, it means you can actually choose any block from any page and put it in any other page. You can also remove any block from any page. So maybe you actually liked homepage A, for example, and all you wanted to do differently was remove this about me block. That's completely possible as well. If you want to add another block from another page, we can do that for you also. Just make sure to outline those options for us. So what would you do then? For each of the page in your sitemap, you'll say, for my homepage, I want to have homepage A, for example, from Evora. I would like to have about 2 for my about page. I want to have my blog as blog C, and that's the listing view type for that. I want to have my portfolio page. Now, there may be a little confusion here for the portfolio, especially in this Evora layout. If you have one portfolio, so you're only doing one gallery, then you can just say I want my portfolio page to be gallery A, B, C, D, or E. If it is the case where you have multiple portfolios, then you can say I want my portfolio to be from layout blog A, B, C, D, or E, for example. The listing template, now that is a template that displays both your blog post or your galleries, is used for both blog pages and for galleries, and that's possible for each of these. So, and anything that you see, the blog, all the layouts for the blog actually can be used for the portfolio listing page. That's if you have multiple portfolio galleries. You can also then say I want to have contact 1, and then any other pages on your site, you can build those whatever way you want. So you could again use a template that you've seen on here, or maybe you've just wanted to check the all block section. So I always suggest people check the all blocks to see what options are available. And that way you can also know if you want to add additional blocks to templates or just build a page fresh using the blocks available there. Another note, if you see that your theme has multiple style kits, know that the functionality is the exact same for both of those. It comes down to only styling, fonts, and colors for the style kits. So if you see something different on the other site, you can choose the layouts from both. That's completely fine because layouts will remain the same. It is only the fonts and the colors that will change the look of the site. Also note, it is a template, so you will be limited in terms of the options available. You choose the options that's within the theme. We cannot really be modifying or changing or adding new blocks from other themes, for example. So it is highly recommended to review your theme and make sure you're happy with it before we get started. However, there are over 30 blocks in each of the themes, so you do have a lot of options and functionality, and you're going to be able to build a really amazing site with that. So go ahead, guys, review your theme, draw out the sitemap, choose the options that you will want for each page, and then whenever you complete the form, you can put that information in there, and we'll be able to give you the best possible first draft for whenever we send that over to you. Then you'll be able to log in. We will set up a screen sharing call. We'll explain how you can update and add content, and then you guys will be pretty much ready to get started with your new site. Thanks.